Hey Gadgetverse family! If you've ever set up a home theater, you know the pain of running long speaker wires across the room. Today, we're taking a look at a solution that makes your setup cleaner, faster, and cable-free, the WSA-5RP Wireless Surround Sound Rear Speakers Kit. This kit is designed to deliver high-quality wireless audio to your rear surround speakers without compromising sound fidelity. Inside the receiver unit, you'll find a built-in 2x50W Class D amplifier, giving each rear channel its own dedicated power source, perfect for bookshelf or compact home theater speakers. This means you don't just get wireless convenience, you get clean, dynamic sound that's ready to match your existing front channels. One of the biggest strengths here is the dual-band selectable transmission. You can choose between 5.2 GHz and 5.8 GHz to avoid interference from Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, or other electronics. Add to that 106 RF auto-switching channels, and you've got a system that constantly adapts for a stable, low-latency connection. This is crucial for home theater use, because any noticeable delay between front and rear speakers ruins immersion. The wireless range is generous, making it suitable for large rooms or open living spaces. Installation is straightforward. Simply connect the transmitter to your AV receiver's rear pre-outs, or speaker-level outputs using the included adapter, and hook your speakers to the powered receiver module. Power them up, and you're ready for true surround sound, without fishing cables under carpets or along walls. The audio transmission is uncompressed, so you're getting full-range sound without the tinny, compressed feel that some wireless systems produce. And with the built-in amplifier, your rear speakers won't depend on long, resistance-heavy cable runs from the front of the room. This kit is compatible with most AV receivers and home theater setups, making it a flexible upgrade whether you're rocking a 5.1, 7.1, or even a Dolby Atmos configuration with rear channels. The small footprint of the receiver unit means it's easy to hide behind a speaker or inside a cabinet, keeping your space neat and clutter-free. If you're ready to simplify your home theater while keeping the cinematic sound you love, the WSA-5RP Wireless Surround Sound Rear Speakers Kit is a smart investment. Check the Amazon link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more gear reviews.